All right, guys, it's Steve with Getting Fresh Air, and look at this. It's snowing in Alabama. Although we didn't get as much as predicted. They were saying we were supposed to get 4 to 8 inches. We got maybe 3/4 of an inch to an inch with some ice underneath. But it's enough to go sledding, and there's been no cars. Again, it's Alabama. No cars on the road because everybody's scared. So I got this big hill, and we're about to go sled it. All right, sledding in Alabama on a street. Let's see how this goes. It's only about an inch of snow.